What's going on YouTube? This is your boy Philly Boy and I'm back with another video, guys. I was gonna say my original name to my channel, but you know it's too long. So guys, today's video is gonna be a little bit different. It's not a compilation video or none of that. It's just a bunch of BS. I'm really pissed off right now. As you all know, you all like, I know you all like to play PS4, video games, Fortnite, cause everybody play Fortnite. I know y'all do. So yesterday the PS4, I turned it on, to update Fortnite and all that, but the PS4 was acting a bit glitchy, was acting up, and it wasn't functioning correctly, like, if you know what I mean. So somebody told me initialize the PS4 console, and it will reset the whole, like, make it like clean it and make it like a brand new PS4 again, right? So I initialized it. Good. So now it's telling me to connect. I'm sorry, I'm using my phone at the moment because my camera's charging, but it's telling me to connect the PS4 controller to the USB port and then turn it on, so that way I can shut up like the language and all that other stuff. Guys, I want to do that, but the only problem is I connect the PS4 remote and all it does is it blinks one time blue. It don't, and then it goes orange. It blinks one, then it goes orange. You see that time it blinked twice. Then it go back to orange. Guys, I don't know if the remote is dead. I'm not too sure. I tried to reset it from that right back there, as you can see, and I hold it down for 3 to 5 seconds, even longer, because people told me to do that you could reset the remote. But guys, I did that and still nothing. It goes right to orange. Like nothing's working, guys. I want you guys to let me know in the comment section down below if there's anything you can help me, if you got any advice, or if you know how to fix this, or if this ever happened to you. Sorry about that, guys. If like something like this happened to you and you fixed it, let me know in the comment section down below. I just want to do a short video, guys, not too long. Sorry about that. I just want to know if anybody can help me fix this situation, and if you can, comment down below and let me know how. Also, guys, if you enjoyed this video, please make sure to drop a like, subscribe to the channel if you're new, and turn on that bell notification so you guys won't miss when I upload. I will be uploading some funny videos, guys, and yeah. So if you guys can help me, man, that would be much appreciated, and I would really thank you guys a lot. Now, if I do get this to work, guys, I know this channel is not about gaming or none of that, but if you guys would like for me to upload a little, Fortnite gameplays and or go live on Fortnite, just let me know in the comment section down below. But without further ado, I'm out of here, man. I'm just out of here, guys. I'm just like lost the word. I don't even know what to say, guys. I'm sorry about that. But I'm gonna see you guys on the next one.